Hey guys, it's Robert Ty here with the Regan's Nissan in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. I want to give you a couple maintenance tips for your Nissan this winter. It is winter here. As we can see, we've got snow on the ground. So a couple things when you're looking at your vehicle that I want to make sure that you are fully aware of and that you are doing, because these are key to make sure that your safety features are going to work. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple different vehicles here. This is a Pathfinder. So our full safety suite is on most of our vehicles these days. So with this, there is a radar. Now, on the Pathfinder and the Frontier, it's down here and behind this. You want to make sure that that's not obstructed. As you're clearing off your vehicle, make sure you clear that off. Also, there is a camera up in my windshield up here. Yeah, it needs to be cleared off as well, because if you don't clear those off, you're going to get a little picture of an icon on your dash that looks like two cars colliding with a star in between. That means that those safety features have been temporarily disabled. Also, down here on the bumper, I have sonar dots. And again, these are on most of our vehicles at this point. That's for your rear emergency braking. And again, you need to make sure that those are good and clear. Otherwise, you're going to get a picture of a back end of a vehicle hitting a triangle with a star in between that. And again, that's the same thing. So let's go have a look at another vehicle. Because with the smaller vehicles, so there's a Qashqai and a Rogue, your radar is actually in behind your Nissan emblem. So if your emblem has plexiglass on it, you want to make sure that's cleared off. If it does not, as we saw in the Pathfinder, and as you can see down here on the Frontier, there's no plexiglass on my Nissan emblem, which means it's on this rectangle here down below. So you want to make sure that that's good and clear. The other thing to keep in mind too, with that camera up there in the windshield, even though you might have cleared your windshield off. So you get up in the morning, first thing this morning, I had to scrape frost off my window. I turn on my heat and it's got to clear some fog off the inside of the window there. Although your window might clear, that camera is going to take a little bit longer to clear off. Therefore, you may still have that flashing icon on the screen. It's an orangish yellow with two cars colliding. Everything's cleared off from what you can see, but there's still a little fog up in there. Give it a little time for your inside of your vehicle to warm up. That will clear off, and then those things will fix themselves. They will reset. They'll turn off all on their own because the obstructions are gone.